Hi everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through how to move and transfer files from your Mac to an external drive, like a USB or a hard drive, or literally any storage device. Once it's connected, you should go and appear. If it doesn't appear on your desktop, it should appear in your Finder if it still doesn't appear on the left-hand side. We may need to go and enable a setting, so make sure Finder is selected and go to the top left and press on Finder and then press on Settings. And then in Sidebar, in your Finder settings, scroll down to Locations and make sure External Disk is selected, and then come to General as well, and make sure External Disk is selected as well. And then now appearing. So now we can actually see the USB or the hard drive, what you plugged in. So on the left, I can scroll down and it's now appearing in Locations. So I can then click on it. I can see what's currently on the USB or the drive. And now if we want to go and move more files, all you need to do is, what I like to do anyway, is I like to open up another Finder. So I'll click 2 fingers on it and then press New Finder window, and I can then go on my Mac and find the files, and I can just go and drag them straight in. If you are trying to transfer a file and it's not letting you, you just have a circle the line through it and it won't let you do it. This is because the drive is in an incorrect format. So what you'll need to do is back up everything on the drive, because we're going to need to go and reformat the drive to a format which our Mac can go and use. What you should do is go and back up the contents of your drive. So I'll just right-click on my desktop, press New Folder. I'll then select these files and I'm going to go and drag them into this folder here. This is like a backup. There we go. And then what we want to do is open something up called Disk Utility. So you can search that in the top right or open up your Launchpad and you'll need to go into Other. And then you can open up your Disk Utility. And on the left here, you can see your drive in External. Click on it and then go and press Erase. Once again, do just make sure that you've backed everything up and then come to Format. And I like to use exFAT as it's sort of the most compatible with Windows and Mac. And then press Erase, and then it's going to go and format everything. And just like that, it's now finished, so you can go and press Done. And now I can open up my USB like this, and I'm going to go and open up this folder. I put the files in, I'll select them all, and now you should be able to go and move them into it, just like so. It's that simple, guys. And then once you've gone, move the files from your Mac to your drive, or vice versa. Once you've finished, come on the left-hand side and make sure that you press the eject button just to be safe and to avoid corrupting anything. And then once that disappears, you can then go and remove it safely and use it on another computer. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.